There was just quiet tears. The neighbors were there in silence. Family members whispered softly. She sat outside and she's just too weak to cry. Everybody thought she was mourning the death of her father, but no one knew her biggest battle was about to begin. Then a black SUV drove into the compound. A man stepped out. He didn't come to console her. He didn't come to mourn with her as well. He looked at the grieving daughter and said, "If you want to cry, cry well, because in a few days' time, you won't be living in this house anymore." She stood up in disbelief. "What do you mean? I won't be living here?" The man looked at her without sympathy. "This house belongs to the family now." Before she could speak again, two elderly women stepped forward. "He is right. You are the only daughter, and you are only a daughter. You have no right to inherit in your father's property. Tradition is tradition," they said.
I know this scene looks like something from Nollywood, but here's the question. Can this actually happen in Nigeria today? The answer is, people may still attempt it, but legally, no. The Supreme Court settled this issue in Ukeje vs. Ukeje. The court held that a daughter cannot be denied her father's property simply because she is female. Why? Because the Constitution prohibits discrimination based on sex. So if anyone tells a daughter, "You're a woman, you cannot inherit your father's property," that is not simply unfair. It is a position the courts have rejected. Now, does that mean every inheritance dispute is automatically won? No. Every case depends on its facts. There may be issues about ownership, wills, family property, customary practices, or proof of entitlement. But one thing is clear, being female alone is not a lawful reason to deny a daughter her father's inheritance. If you know someone who still believes daughters cannot inherit simply because they are women, send them this video.